Oscar, this is TheDuttyBerry. Welcome to the first one on the Challenge Week series. I'm there with
Team Awesome!
Not because they're really awesome, but I don't know why, because I'm not sure with the name funny. Okay, so let's go starting with you.
Hi guys, Jermaine Watson from Team Awesome, aka Scotty. Instagram Scotticus. Boom.
Yeah, my name is Jared. People usually call me Tristan. Yeah, that's me.
Craig, Mission Code, find my Instagram.
Kezia, have no other name.
Kadim, aka Jimmy, aka Birdie, aka That's It.
Hi, my name is Anna. People call me Coolie. I'm on Instagram as Coolie.
Yeah, Joel, that's it for me.
Julie, aka J.
So I'm back. And the rules go, the game is called Never Have I Ever. So, basically I just give you a situation, and if you have, you just go so. You just show the one in my face, pound the head top, right? If you have never done it, you just go so. Blank. Okay, so the first one is, hold on, never have I ever done it outside.
Anna,
Deception.
you come from Ochi. No confused.
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Exactly.
They are a bunch of heathens.
But guys, Berry Zone is black though.
Yeah, what?
Why?
Yo, how the celebrity on for black?
This is unacceptable.
No.
You might get technical. Yes.
Never have I ever fooled around in a sibling's room. In a brother and sisters in the...
Craig,
She wasn't supposed to be here.
We didn't know.
Oh, we didn't know.
Oh yeah, people are brother and sister, okay. Sup on our bed.
Hey, I don't want to go into the details.
Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever
Gone to church.
done it in a car.
Dumbest question. Honest, hey guys, it's not that
Wait.
comfortable.
It's not that.
It's not that comfortable.
Put more.
That's it.
Yo, what is it? J-U-T-C-U?
Boss, yes.
Wait, you really done it in the bus?
Yeah, but that's next level though. That is.
Okay. Never have I ever had phone sex.
Fun?
Phone sex.
Seriously?
I'm pretty sure
Okay.
10-year-olds out there.
Hey, alright.
When last was it?
No, I've never had phone. Yo.
Alright, so walk through like how would the phone sex thing go? Because it's like it's really, you have to get very creative, right?
Yeah, we don't know how it works.
Like how does it work?
we don't know.
Like teach him. Give a little run through.
Yeah,
like,
teach him.
Videos.
Call the phone. Call our phone.
Ring, hotline bling.
Alright. Hey, baby.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, Jared voice just...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come man, Coolie. Your phone game cast a week.
Why you laughing?
Yo.
What's going on your end of the phone for the way?
Never have I ever had sex with more than one person at the same time.
Nope. I had threesome, basically.
Okay.
Well, my father words.
No man.
I'm gonna see this.
Barry, what about this Barry? Barry, they need to know.
Barry, them need to know.
Whoa. Oh God, all of my contracts there.
Yo,
We don't get yours.
pull up the question and then you're like,
Okay.
Never have I ever paid someone for sex.
Wait, hold on. No. We have to think about this, you know.
yo, big up Warren Weir every time I do it. Big up Warren Weir and Julian Ford. Next question.
Yeah, next question. Come. Next question.
Never have I ever watched animal porn.
What?
What
crazy?
What kind of free?
Or never you go on YouTube and see something like that.
First of all, you need to put up your cards.
No, sir. Hey,
No. Kezia, you want Barry a friend.
Kezia, what?
You want Barry a friend.
Come here.
I'm not I have so many
National
questions.
Geographic
Where-
guy.
I have so many
National
questions.
Geographic.
That don't count.
I also have so many questions.
No, Kezia, seriously.
Okay, I needed to.
If I were you, I would like represent right.
Yeah, you are representing TT.
No, okay, I didn't understand. Like, I was like, big
Trinidad
animals,
and Tobago.
Like
First of all, National
elephants.
Geographic don't count.
How
National
elephants
Geographic
do
and
it.
Discovery Channel
How
don't count.
giraffes do it. So
Exactly.
I experienced.
So it was in for you
You what?
So it was in for.
Whoa! Someone says the wrong choice.
Wrong choice of it. I
Next question.
investigated.
Yeah, but next, let's save this.
Wow! You know this game when I dig up so much.
We don't play them game, they in a Portmore.
Next question. Never have I ever taken nudes of myself or someone
Full
else.
stop? Oh.
Yeah.
Warm in
Alright, now you see this.
Wait, everybody I take nudes and I get
When we
nudes.
say nudes, define nude.
Nick, no, I don't know. I don't know artist, no photographer like this. I like some thirst trap. Never have I ever caught my parents having sex.
Oh,
Either parent or no parent.
No.
Yo, why you bring up this?
Oh my God!
Where you scarred?
Now
Where
I'm
you
getting
scarred?
images.
Alright.
no wonder you had to do that with the animal there.
Whoa. Me and animal, they but hey, I'm talking Kezia. Don't try to play me, bro.
Yo, never have I ever licked food off someone during.
Right answer. No.
You had to try.
It becomes a sticky situation.
I had to.
Well,
You expect
yo,
Yo, we're gonna say yes.
but put more man say
No, lie.
or the no, on the answer man, the sitting man, the support. You can't.
I remember
And
the whole night, the whole day was a blur.
What food was it?
Okay, just in case.
What food was it?
Foods.
I said it created a sticky situation. Let's leave it there.
I
Okay.
don't think so.
Never have I ever had sex with someone more than twice my age.
My dog, them have feelings.
Never reached so far.
Why?
Whoa.
Why? It's a family thing. What? It's a family thing. What?
Yo, Joel, when your family cut tracks,
Why do people in retirement funny I run down? Wait. Never have I ever woken up to someone giving me head.
Woken.
I was not that fortunate.
yeah, I'm not living on that.
Hey.
Many times I drop asleep, so.
There's a flag floating.
Hey,
You have to load it up.
Hold on.
You know how decent.
Where's your card? I don't understand. Barry.
Where's your car?
Barry.
Pull it up.
Barry.
Never have I ever called someone the wrong name while doing it. What? Oh,
It was a mistake. It was a mistake. We are Kez. We're not allowed Kez. Hit more.
put more money, yes.
Yeah, yo, don't leave me hanging, guys.
Yo, that was great.
Really?
Come on, Kez, come on.
My man is
Team
great.
don't remember. Hit me. Yo, team don't remember. Come in.
Okay, wow. Never have I ever lusted over a friend or acquaintance's mom or dad.
No, man, don't you
I'm
talk
not lying, dog.
what? Seriously?
I ain't doing it.
Yo, my yeah.
Yeah.
Stacy's
Mom or
mom
dad?
still.
Stacy's
Why
mom
not?
has got it going on.
It had more. Had true.
Never have I ever had sex on campus or any other school.
Oh my god.
Oh yes. Watch.
No, Barry, I don't believe that one there. I don't believe that one there, Barry.
Barry, you can't live on campus, but still enough.
When they say what you're trying to find out, like
Yeah, technically.
I tell you,
at school,
what is
like
this school
at
I
the
know
door,
currently?
like anywhere on the grounds, the grounds.
I live on
Bear in mind,
campus.
bear in mind.
What school is?
Joel has never gone to you.
I'm wondering what school is.
Which one are you in?
Microphone.
Secret garden.
Alright, so next question.
Never have I ever licked my boob. or chest or nipples, nipples or whatever.
Well, I mean,
Riley.
it's not a thing that I can do.
It's not. It's not like it's not.
What? What?
Wait,
I don't understand.
I can get why we do it.
Explain.
Why would he?
Yeah, load it up, Mary. Explain that one here.
Yeah,
Story time.
Just feel like we can't talk to you, right?
Story time, man. Story time.
Okay.
Never have I ever given or received head for more than half an hour. Half an hour or more.
Given or received? Oh.
I'm a virgin, though.
Hold on, Jared. What you just said?
Wait, you just said Mary?
Oh, Jared.
You see,
Okay.
there isn't like a clock, so you don't know
I'm not believe
sometimes. So
that.
I don't know if it's real.
Like half an hour. You never have like a show going, you know, so the Family Matters episode and then it goes. So you can know so around half an hour.
Sometimes I will multitask.
Yo, sometimes I put on the MTV jumps and it's cool.
So all on your last, you're like, yo, about 10 music videos. Never have I ever lied about my penis size.
Hold on.
Yo, adequate.
We don't have penises.
Yeah, what?
We the female.
So wait, nobody saw that? Nobody was
No,
like,
you're on your own.
No, we are good. We are
oh,
good.
you know, so I'm gonna cut out this door. I can't believe it. You never even lie a little half mark and say.
No, there was a time in high school when everybody was talking about it and you went home with a ruler, but you never had to lie.
I never use that like when I learn, because when I read, because I'm very nerdy. Shit, some used to read up, I'm gonna go to Tamarind come library. I'm gonna see one book I say, yo, if you must measure your penis against like one tissue roll. And like if because the average penis is like the size of the tissue roll, like the regular tissue roll.
That's not black men though.
No, it's like internationally.
Oh, okay.
So that's like say, it's for the length and for the girth. So if it can go through it, that means it's just average. Like if your penis can go through like the toilet tissue, like you know, you average like regular people. And if it's longer then
So we're gonna change that.
We're gonna forever.
So we are talking about the researchers. The researchers.
I'm not gonna try this one ago.
The next time you gotta go through it, man, you're gonna look and they're gonna think.
I'm not trying this.
So never have I ever licked feet, toes, fingers, none of them fetishes before.
With fingers.
Maybe, yes.
Oh, so
Yeah, fingers.
What are them to toes and feet? Like
fingers and toes.
Let me do it halfway, cause I'll do it halfway.
Yeah, like in the middle.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, come in there now. We know it now.
Well,
You see, hey, you should be catching.
I feel like Mary's
When
one
the
of
boss
those
said
like,
first, towards him saying no. And then because I did him alone, him said feet.
no, that was the reason. Don't do that. Don't do that. But either way, my answer would have stayed. Anyway, anyways, that is the end of this part. I think there might be another part. Part one of Never Have I Ever with Team Awesome. Alright, that's it, people. Make sure that you go and like, share, subscribe to my Dutty Berry Show. On Instagram, I look some followers says at Dutty Berry Show. And if you want to find out Team Awesome, it is
Team Awesome JA on all social media, and subscribe to our YouTube. We put out videos all the time and we hope you enjoy it. So that's Team Awesome JA.
Yeah, and I'll put a link to their YouTube channel in the description down below. So make sure that you go and you subscribe as well and follow them.
Alright, please don't take with the man sponsor.
Bye bye. So what's going on?